Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing any case and inspecting the physical buttons. A stuck volume or power key often forces safe mode. Next, power off the Samsung M14 5G and wait about 10 seconds. Power it back on to allow a clean reboot. This often clears safe mode immediately. Once done, make sure you watch the boot screen. If the safe mode watermark is gone, the issue is resolved. If it returns, note which apps you recently installed, because the next steps address software causes. Now diagnose whether hardware or software causes safe mode. Press each physical button multiple times and clean crevices with a soft brush. Debris can hold a button down. Next, intentionally boot into safe mode by holding power, then press and hold power off and choose safe mode. This confirms whether third-party apps are involved because they will be disabled. If safe mode disappears on a normal reboot but appears again, uninstall recently added apps via Settings apps. That removes problematic packages without a factory reset. If cleaning buttons and removing apps fails, back up your data to Google Drive or Smart Switch because the next step erases the device. Then perform a factory data reset via Settings General Management Reset Factory Data Reset. Follow prompts to erase and reboot. After reset, set up the phone and verify safe mode is gone. Troubleshooting tip. If safe mode returns after reset, it's almost certainly a hardware fault. Contact Samsung service or a repair shop to test and replace a stuck volume or power button.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.